be making one of my favorite snacks, chocolate chip cookies. My mom will be helping me cook my favorite snack, one of my favorite snacks. So let's go and cook it, guys.
Okay, so actually, first time lang namin talaga magluluto magbe-bake ng chocolate chip cookies. So this is my first time baking this. And kaya namin naisip na mag-bake kasi we have been to a birthday party last time and then nakaget-song kami ng mga hot chocolate bombs, o diba? So, happy birthday kaya na ulit, diba? So, nakaget-song kami yan. So, nag-isip kami kung ano magandang i-partner natin siya sa mga hot chocolate bombs na yan. And of course, naisip natin na yung kanilang, one of their favorite snacks and that is their chocolate chip cookies. So, this is very easy. So, sige, tara, lutuin natin. Pero itong amin ay charot-charot lang. Hindi kami mga professional na baker. So, kung ano mang kalalabasan ay makain pa rin sa amin siya. Okay?
So guys, my dad is actually really good at cooking. So I think he's one of the professionals.
Oh my God, so parang sinabi niya hindi ako magaling magluto. Char! Anyway, so tara na, lutuin na natin. But before that, of course, so Yuan will tell us what will be the ingredients for this very easy chocolate chip cookies, okay?
So guys, here are our ingredients for our very easy chocolate chip cookies. So we have white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, butter, chunks of white chocolate, chunks of milk chocolate, chocolate chip, and all-purpose flour. We also have baking soda. So guys, let's go and bake.
Alright, so Yuan will be assisting us in mixing our ingredients. The first thing we're going to put in our bowl is the butter. Ayan.
So guys, my mom is mixing the butter so to make it into smaller pieces.
Ayan. So, hindi kailangan siya melted. So, talagang, kumbaga, soften lang siya into room temperature. Alright, so from the red na spatula, lumipat tayo dito sa kulay, ano bang kulay ito? Beige?
White.
White, off-white. Ayan. So, hanggang sa maging ganyan. And then, we'll be putting our white sugar. And then, we'll also be putting our brown sugar. Ayan. So, ayan ha. Charot-charot lang. Gaya-gaya lang tayo sa napakadaming gumagawa ng chocolate chip cookies na kinonsolidate natin at pinagsama-sama lang. So, sana makain natin to. So, we'll be mixing hanggang sa magsama-sama yung ingredients. Magsama-sama sila na parang isang buong pamilya. Charot. Napatawa si Yuan. So, pasensya na kung sa tingin nyo parang naglalandi lang po ako. Pero hindi po yan maglalandi. Ganyan lang po talaga po hindi professional. Actually, si Yuan po talaga kasi yung magaling mag-bake sa bahay na to. Siya rin po yung magaling magluto. Pero syempre, nakakahiya naman sa pamilyang Guno kung hindi natin paglalaban ang ating lahi. So this time, we're going to put our
eggs.
Ayan, our egg. Egg lang anak, isa lang yung egg. O diba, ang social ng egg, kulay brown. Sa ili natin, sayang, char. O, diba? Sabi ka na anak ko, pwede na niya ako isama sa extreme cheapskate sa sobrang tipid. So, i-mix natin. So, sana, ang pinagdadasal ko lang, since first time ko mag-bake ng chocolate chip cookies, ay pinagdadasal ko lang sana ay makain siya. Ano nga sabi yun, ipapasaluto ko lagi?
Hindi mo magtsagaan.
Basta siya si Papa. O, diba? Pati yung paraan ko ng paghahalo. Wala nga kwenta-kwenta, diba? Alright, so, eto na. Na-mix na natin yung ating sugar at saka yung butter. So, this time, so, eto yung parang, syempre, this is our supposed to be the wet ingredients. So, this time naman, guys, we'll be using another bowl for our dry ingredients. So, for the all-purpose flour and our chocolates. Okay?
So guys, now we will be mixing the dry ingredients. So the first thing is the flour. And then I'm going to put the white chocolate. And guys, we will now be putting the chocolate chip. And then next, I'm going to be putting the chunks of milk chocolate.
And then you'll just have to
Mix it.
Okay, mix it.
So guys, when it gets cooked, I hope it will be tasty.
Hopefully. And then, of course, we'll have to put our... What's this you want?
Baking soda.
Okay, we'll have to put baking soda. Half a teaspoon, I think. Ayan. So this time we'll be mixing our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Ayan. So, hindi natin ang bonggang-bongga at pandemic na yun, mahal ang mga supplies. Okay, and then we'll have to mix this all together. And I guess we're done with this. So guys, here's our dough, and then we'll be forming it into balls, and then we'll be putting it here in our tray lined with parchment paper. So guys, dahil na tayong masosyal na pang scoop ng ice cream kasi para uniform yung ating mga chocolate chip cookies, ang gagamitin natin dapat ay yung pang scoop ng ice cream. So since wala tayong available dun dito sa bahay natin, so ang ating gagamitin itong pang scoop din naman siya ng ice cream, pero yung tignan natin 8 cents lamang sa Walmart. So scoop na natin siya. Let's go!
So guys, I will try experiencing it.
O yan, in short, maglalandi yan. Yan. So yan, make sure na maghihinaw, diba? So magandang bonding yan ng kids at saka ng parents, diba? O ayan.
On here.
So ayan. O diba, social distancing. Alright.
So guys, here are the cookies that me and my mom prepared. So here are they, guys. I think this is 18 in all, guys.
So I'll be baking this for 10 to 14 minutes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's go and bake now.
So guys, now that our cookies are cooked, let's prepare now the hot chocolate bomb.
So what do you have there?
So we have milk and then some hot chocolate in a hot chocolate bomb.
So that's hot milk, okay.
Oh. Is it gonna crack?
Yeah.
Or we're gonna have to crack it?
Crack it.
Okay, I'm gonna crack it.
Careful.
Yeah, guys, we eat the chocolate, and then there's marshmallows. Yum. So guys, let's taste the hot cocoa. Thank you, Kiana, for this hot chocolate bomb. So guys, let's try the cookies. Mama. You ran out of cookies. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this really easy recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you subscribe, click the bell for more notifications, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys! Bye, guys! Yummy. Ow, I burnt my